In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter into Lucidchart step by step so you can get logged in and start creating your diagrams without any confusion. Whether you're completely new to Lucidchart or you just need a quick walkthrough, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to lucid.app or lucidchart.com. You can use either one, and both will take you to the Lucid platform. Once the page loads, look for the Login button in the upper right corner of the screen. That's your starting point for accessing your account. Go ahead and click Login. After that, Lucidchart will take you to the sign-in page where you can enter your email address and password. Make sure you type everything correctly, especially if you have multiple accounts or use a work email. If you don't want to type your credentials manually, you may also see single sign-on options like Google, Microsoft, or Apple. These are helpful if your Lucid account is connected to one of those services, and they can save you a few extra clicks. If you're using Google, Microsoft, or Apple to sign in, just select the option that matches your account and follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to confirm access or choose which account you want to use. Once you approve it, Lucidchart will log you in automatically and take you to your dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, you're officially inside Lucidchart and ready to begin. If your goal is to create something new, look for the plus new button in the upper left corner. Click that button to open the creation menu. From here, you'll see your starting options for a new document. If you want to build something from scratch, hover over Lucidchart and choose blank document. This is the best option when you want full control and want to design your flowchart, mind map, or diagram from the ground up. If you'd rather save time and start with a ready-made layout, choose Create from Template. Lucidchart has templates for things like agile workflows, process diagrams, brainstorming boards, and more. Once you pick your starting point, Lucidchart will open your new workspace and you can begin adding shapes, text, and connections. At that point, you've successfully entered Lucidchart and reached the stage where you can start building your diagram. So just to recap, go to lucid.app or lucidchart.com, click Login, sign in with your email and password, or use Google, Microsoft, or Apple, and then create a new document from the dashboard. That's the fastest way to enter Lucidchart and get started right away. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.